No, funnily enough, the first book I ever owned myself, and it still strikes me as hilarious, was a New Testament in Yiddish. One day the doorbell rang, and a missionary handed it to me. So I read it. Years later, since I became a classics major at Cornell, one semester with a marvelous scholar named Friedrich Solmsen, we spent a semester reading the New Testament in Koine. Even as a child, I conceived a virulent dislike of it, which I've made clear in many times, saying that indeed it should be called the Belated Testament and Tanakh, the original Testament, one of my many ways of making enemies, of whom God knows I have a plethora.